Very good meeting. We had people coming from Assam, people coming from Arunachal Pradesh, from Bodoland, from Karbi Anglong, from Dima Hasao, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland. So the meeting was very good and we have made significant progress. And I think we are on track to create a new idea for Northeast, which will be taking a larger perspective of speaking out for the entire region from a single point of view. We have been very clear that there will be a new identity created. Now, new identity is created when different sets of organizations amalgate and come out with a new idea. Now, when I'm saying that, we are not merging into one party and losing our identity. We are coming with concrete steps and plans on how we can come together and speak as one voice. And when we speak as one voice from the point of view of a Tiprasa or a Garo or a Khasi or a Meitei or a Naga or a Kuki or a Arunachali, and within Arunachal also you have different communities, Dimasas, Bodos as well, Karbi Anglong as well. So we are all trying to come together. Nobody is trying to finish each other's identity. We are just trying to strengthen each other so that we come out with a single platform and speak in one voice.
Why is it more important to come in a single platform?
I think it is very important. I think nobody is asking what happened to NDPP when Mr. Rio and NPF came together. People should understand that the problems of our people are more important than having a signboard. And there are various negotiations, ideas are coming out, name is being thought of, flags, what will be the flag, that is being thought of, what will be our ideology, what will be our policy. These are things that has been discussed. I think that is more important than what is going to happen to me or what is going to happen to Conrad, what is going to happen to Daniel Langthasa or Mulumo Kikon or anybody. I think that is not important. What is important is, are we going to speak in one voice for our people of the indigenous people of the Northeast? And I think that is the most important thing. But I think right now the most important thing is कि हमारा रैली 27 तारीख को है. नवंबर 27 तारीख को अस्तबल ग्राउंड में हम लोग रैली करेंगे. Conrad Sangma is coming, Daniel Langthasa is coming, Mulumo Kikon is coming, Ajay Edwards from Gorkhaland is coming. Many people are coming on the 27th और उस रैली में हमको एक आवाज़ में अपने लोगों के बारे में बात करना चाहिए. आज होम मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड किया है, कल मैंने भी खुद कहा है कि वी कैन हैव अ तिपरासा चीफ मिनिस्टर. लेकिन द पॉइंट इज़ दैट पीपल शुड बी बेनिफिटेड एंड देयर शुड बी नो वायलेंस, बिकॉज जब वायलेंस होता है तो गरीब इंसान का नुकसान होता है. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा anybody who is rich and powerful losing their shop or their property. Is only the poor who suffer. So I am against any form of violence. And if the Chief Minister thinks that there can be a larger dialogue between Tipra Motha, BJP, the police officials, I am welcome for that.